Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class of standard 7th. So we already started with the chapter integers. So let us continue the chapter. So the first question is, in a magic square, each row, column and a diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So the condition they have told, each row, column and diagonal should have the same sum, then it is called a magic square. So in a magic square, you add according to the column, row or a diagonal. If the sum has to be same, then only we will call it as a magic square, or else we will not call it as a magic square. So here two examples are given. In this we have to check which one is the magic square. So first we will start adding from the first one. This is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Next, minus 5 minus 2 will be minus 7. Minus 7 and plus 7. Again it will become a 0. Next, 0 plus 3, 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. We will add the diagonal over here. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, no problem. Minus 4 plus 7 will be 3. 3 minus 3, you will get the sum as 0. Next, minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, you will get the sum as 0. Next, plus 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, diagonal. Minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6. This is where from this you will come to a conclusion it is not a magic square, because everything has sum we got a 0, but the diagonal, one of the diagonal we got minus 6. Therefore it is not magic square. So we will check the second one. We will check the second one. 1 minus 10 will be minus 9. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. On adding all these, you will get the sum as minus 9. Minus 4 plus 4 will be minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7 will be minus 9. Again, add from here. 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7 will get the sum as minus 9. Minus 10 minus 3 will be minus 13. Plus 4 will be minus 9. Here also you have to add 0 plus minus 2 will be minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7 will be minus of 9. So add here. 1 minus 4 will be minus 3. Minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9. 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. Minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9. So on adding the rows, column and the diagonals, you got the same answer. Therefore it is a magic square. So which one is the magic square here? The second one is the magic square. This is how you find the magic square. Only thing you have to remember, the sum of the rows, column and diagonal should be same. Then only you will call it a magic square. If one of the sum is not same, then it is not a magic square. To solve the next question, verify a minus bracket minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. So they have given the values of a and b. In this equation we have to substitute and check whether the values are equal or not. So first one is a is 21 and b is 18. We will check a minus b and a plus b on the other side. So a is 21 minus 18 is equal to 21 plus 18. So here minus into minus will become plus. 21 plus 18 is equal to 21 plus 18. So this much is enough. Here both the left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. If you want further you can add it. So it will become 39 is equal to 39. So both the values are equal. So you have verified. If you want, we'll solve one more example where a is 28 and b is 11. So take the equation a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b. So a is 28 minus of minus 11 is equal to a is 28 plus 11. So 28 minus into minus is plus 11. So here also 28 plus 11. Both the sides we got 28 plus 11, 28 plus 11. That means both the left hand side is equal to right hand side of the equation. So add here, you will get it as again 39 to 39. So equation are same here. This is how you have to verify the values of A and B. We'll solve the next question. Use the sign greater, smaller or is equal to in the box to make the statements true. Here in the box you have to use greater, smaller or is equal to sign to make the statements true. To make that, first we have to solve this. So what is the given here? Minus 8, right? Minus 8 plus into minus is minus 4. So here we'll solve this first. Minus, both the side there is a minus, that means you keep the minus side as it is and add the given numerals. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So minus 8 and minus 4 will become minus 12. So here check it. Minus 8 right as it is. Minus into minus will be plus 4. So one is minus 8 and one is plus 4. Which is greater here? 8 is greater. 8 has a minus sign. So write minus sign. So now take that. 8 minus 4 will be minus 4. So which one is greater here? Minus 12 or minus 4? See here. Minus 4 will be greater. This side will be greater. Why minus 4 will be greater? Whenever there is a negative sign, minus sign, the number with the small value will be greater. So minus 12 and minus 4. In that, minus 4 will be greater compared to the minus 12. Next, we will solve the next question. Minus 3 plus 7 plus into minus minus 19. So add this. Minus 3 plus 7 or else minus 3 plus 7 will be plus 4 because when you add this. Next minus 19 right as it is. Here plus and minus. 19 is a greater number and it has minus sign, right minus. 19 minus 4 will be how much? 15. So the answer is minus 15. You check here. 15 minus 8 plus into minus is minus 9. So add this 15. Both are minus here. So write minus as it is. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 will be 17. So now 15 and 17 are there. So 17 is greater number, it has minus sign, right minus. Now 17 minus 15 will be minus 2. So which one is greater here? The number minus 2 is greater. This is how you have to put the sign in the box. Now we'll solve the next question. A water tank has a steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is first step. The water level is at 9th step. He jumps first in that first sub question. He jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Very simple question it is. See here, monkey is sitting on the top of, on the first step. So it will jump 3 steps to the downwards. That means when it is on a first step, from first step if it jumps, so which step it will reach? It will reach 4th step because 1 plus 3 will be 4. So, and 2 steps it will go back. That means 4 minus 2 will be 2. So, like that, in how many steps will it reach the water level? The water level is at the 9th step. We'll see here. We'll solve here. So, first step, first jump. We'll take the first jump. First jump, it is at the first step and it will jump 3. So, it will reach the 4th step for one jump. So, second jump. Second jump it will jump back, not the front. That means 4, whatever the answer is 4 minus 2 will be, again it reaches back to the second step. Okay. Next, third jump, again it will jump 3 steps. From second step it will jump to the 3 steps. So 3 plus 2 will be, it will reach the 5th step. From 5th step it will come back again, the 4th jump. 4th jump will be 5 minus 2. How much you will get? It is on the 3rd step. 3rd step. Okay. Is on the 3rd step. Again, the 5th jump. The 5th jump will be 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6th step. It will reach. It will reach the 6th step. Next, then the 6th jump. 6th jump is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to, again it goes back to the 4th step. Next, 7th jump. 7th jump. So how much here it is? 4. It is on the 4th step and it will jump 3 steps. 4 plus 3 will be 7. It will reaches the 7th step. It reaches the 7th step. Next, 8th jump. It will jump back now. 8th jump will be 7 minus 2 will be, again it reaches the 5th step. Next, 9th jump. 9th jump will be 5 plus 2. It reaches the 7th step. Okay, next, 10th jump. 10th jump will be 7. So it is 5 plus 3, which is 8th step. So 8 minus 2 will be 6th step it will reach. So 11th jump. 11th jump is equal to 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9th step. So it has reached the water level now, because the water level is at the 9th step. That means after 11th jump it will reaches the water level. It reaches water level at 11th jump. It reaches water level at 11th jump. At 11th jump. This is how you solve it. We'll see the second sub question. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps 2 steps back down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach the top step? That means the first step. So here also same, the whatever you have done, there you started with 1 and here you will start with the 9, because monkey is at the 9th step. So therefore, first jump. Okay, the solution of it. So first jump will be 9 minus 4. So it will reach the 5th step. Again from 5th step it will jump back 2 steps back. That is 5 minus 5 plus 2 will be 7th step. It reaches the 7th step. There you subtracted, here you have to add. So third jump will be 7 minus 4. It reaches the 3rd step. Here fourth jump will be 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5th step. Now it has reached the 5th step. Next, 5th jump is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to, it reaches the 1st step. So in how many jumps it reached? So in 5th jump it reached the 1st step. Therefore in 5th jump it reaches first step. This is how you solve. Now note on the homework, verify a minus bracket minus b, a plus b for the following values, where a is 118 and b is 125. Second one, a is equal to 75 and b is equal to 84. Second question, use the sign greater, smaller or is equal to in the box to make the statement true. So 23 minus 41 plus 11, 23 minus 41 minus 11. Next is 39 minus 24 minus 50, 36 minus 52 minus of bracket minus 36. So this is your homework. Note down and solve it. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.